Hi guys, welcome to a brand new vlog. I'm gonna do a cleaning with me vlog. Why do I sound so croaky? Because I've not gotten a cold. I was just talking about Liam. That is what happens now. But yeah, we're gonna crack on, and I need to tidy my room. I might even do some wrapping in this vlog. I do not know. But the news is out. The news is out. I am doing Vlogmas on my TikTok. Whoop whoop. Now, I know that is not YouTube. That is not on this platform. But I will be still uploading on YouTube. Especially, I don't know why, but I'm getting more people watching for longer. And the same goes for TikTok, so I'm going to try and do the in-between of TikTok and YouTube. Like, when I have a more festive day, I'll probably will film it for more YouTube than TikTok, or film a bit of both. I'm actually going to 101 Dimension. I can't say the word, but the Disney movie. The 101D. We're going to that next week, so I'll be doing TikToks and I might even vlog it. Maybe, because I'm trying to get back onto my vlogging game. But yeah, let's just get straight on into this. Also, I have made some coasters that is to do with Liam, and I've done his arrow tattoo that he had on his side of his arm, and a TikToker that I follow. Well, I asked her if she wants one, and she said yeah, so I'm like sending her on. I'm like, yay. And it sounds so stupid. She's not even like, she's bigger than me. She's way more bigger than me. But on the scale of when she goes live and that, back in my day, when I was quite popular on TikTok, not as often now because I don't go live that often, but when I first started going live and went live literally nearly every single night, pretty much, she gets the same amount of views that I used to get. So it's not like she's like a really, really big TikToker. But it might sound stupid, but she is the one TikToker. There is multiple TikTokers, but she is the number one that has got me through this. It may sound stupid to people, but seeing her lives, listening to music, and having that community of people who understand and listen to how you're feeling and just can have a good time even in a bad situation. Like, we can still have a laugh, we can still have a good time, but we are still sad about Liam. That's what it's like a safe place. Might sound stupid to some, but this TikTok is generally, it feels like a safe place. And I kept on thinking it'd be a month on Sunday, but it's a month on Saturday, and she'll be live, and oh my god, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. But we need to enjoy the little things. And so I haven't actually been filming. I just cracked on with it. So as you can see, my desk is tidy now. I've moved some stuff down here so it's more tidy on my desk, because what was that noise? But I am now going to change my bedding, so I will film that. But it's all cozy in here. I can't put you down on these, but my light has changed, so that's good. But I made some of these. You'll be able to see it now. I made some of these, and I've put one on Vinted for now. And I put it on Threads, and loads of people were interested. not that many people favourite it yet, but I just want to point out that one, I've literally only put it up for £3. I don't want to profit off Liam's passing. I created one of those because that's the first thing that I could think of that I could do to remember Liam Payne, and in memory of Liam Payne is do a coaster, because everyone kept on getting tattoos and I'm not allowed a tattoo because of my heart condition. I would absolutely, in a heartbeat, if I was allowed, get a tattoo. As silly as it is, as many people in my life would probably not agree, if I did not have my heart condition, I would get a tattoo. Because them boys, Jessie J, Little Mix, One Direction, J-Less, all of them was part of my childhood. Katy Perry, like all the 2010, 2011 people were part of my childhood growing up. So that is why I would love to get a tattoo, but I can't. So this is like my type of tattoo for people who possibly can't get a tattoo, but also people who can. And I've sent one to a TikToker that, as stupid as it may sound, why did I sound a bit weird then? But as stupid as it may sound, helped me through the Liam Payne stuff. She was live the day that we found out, and I didn't realise she was live until I went into bed at 11:30. I didn't go to actually sleep until quarter to 1 that night. And even then, it was a forcing myself to go to sleep because I literally could not keep my eyes open. Again, sounds stupid, I felt guilty. Like, we just lost one of our favourite band members. Well, one of the band members out of One Direction. I know he was not everyone's favourite, but I was a Lilo girl, and I'll be a Lilo girl forever. Louis and Liam. And then there's Harry. Whatever the mixture of Louis, Liam and Harry is, I was that girl. I love Niall, I love Zayn, but I was always a Lilo girl at heart. And a Larry. Can you tell who my favourite was? Louis! But yeah, so I'm sending her one, and she said she's gonna open it. I have said to her she doesn't have to. She doesn't have to if she doesn't want to, but she has offered. So whether she does it or not, I would just be so grateful that if she did do it. But also, Perry Edwards is bringing out a Christmas song on Friday, and Harry's meant to be featuring in another Christmas song. And I'm starting to work out again and find my fitness that I had like 6 months ago, so I'm trying to get my strength back. So this is a little life update, a positive one for once, kind of. But let's get on to what we're meant to be doing. This has just turned into another chit chat video or vlog, but let's make my bed, because the past 2 nights I have been freezing, so I need the fluffy bedding on ASAP. It's also nearly 8 o'clock, so I need to get to doing this because I've got one.